ATAL Faculty Development Program on Machine Learning using Python programming held at BVICAM from November 6 to November 11, 2023 was a resounding success. The FDP aimed to equip educators with the latest trends in artificial intelligence and machine learning, focusing on practical applications using Python. The program commenced with an inaugural session on November 6, setting the stage for an intellectually stimulating week. This was followed by a comprehensive session on trend analysis with different case studies by Dr. Amrendra Kumar, Principal Scientist at AKMU, ICAR, IARI. New Delhi Dr. Kumar's insights into real-world case studies set the tone for the program. Article discussions were held daily to encourage knowledge sharing and foster critical thinking. Participants engaged in lively debates and exchanges, enhancing their understanding of the subject matter. Sessions throughout the program covered a wide array of topics like Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning in Cybersecurity by Dr. Himanshu, Python for Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning by Professor Rajendra Nath, and Regression, Hands-on Coding using Python by Professor Rajendra Chillar were just a few of the highlights. These sessions not only provided theoretical knowledge but also practical applications of machine learning techniques. Areas of artificial intelligence and machine learning and research methodology, data types, and different machine learning algorithms enrich the program with their academic expertise. Dr. Sanjeev Sofat, professor at the Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh, delved into natural language processing, a vital aspect of AI and machine learning. Practical sessions conducted daily allowed participants to apply their newfound knowledge in hands-on exercises. These sessions, combined with industrial visit at Krishi Viman Production Hub, provided invaluable real-world exposure. The program culminated with a session on advanced research application and opportunities in artificial intelligence and deep learning. The FDP ended with MCQ assessments and reflective journal discussions, allowing participants to reflect on their learning journey. In summary, the ATAL FDP on machine learning using Python programming at BVICAM provided participants with a holistic understanding of AI and machine learning. The program was a testament of the commitment of BVICAM and the esteemed speakers in empowering educators with the latest knowledge and practical skills in these dynamic fields. It was a week of enlightenment, collaboration, and growth, leaving participants well prepared to navigate the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence and machine learning.